Welcome back to all the students of Class 8th. This is Karunesh Misra from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, after completing the chapter 2 from Geography, we are going to start or we are going to proceed in new chapters. The title of the chapter is The Natural Vegetations and Wildlife. In this chapters we will study about the forest as a resources, types of forest like tropical forest, temperate forest, taiga forest, importance of forest. These topics we will cover in these video sessions. So let's start the chapters with an introductory note. Dear students, as you know very well that different resources have a different values, but they are all important and we cannot survive without them. Resources are very important for all of us, and without of the natural resources we cannot survive. Among all the spheres of the earth, the biosphere is the only zone where life exists because of its life supporting features, because of the presence of oxygens in atmospheres, because of the water, one of the most natural resources, air, sunlight. So because of these life supporting features, life is possible on the planet Earth. There exists an ecosystem on the earth which supports life in the biosphere. All living beings are interrelated and interdependent on each other. Plants provide us food, timber, firewood, medicines, herbs, pulp, oil, gum, latex, and most importantly, paper that help in our studies. Wildlife includes insects, creepers, birds, both domestic and wild animals, and also all aquatic animals such as fish, alligators, frogs, jellyfish, etc. Animal provides us with milk, meat, wool, etc. Both plant and animals help in maintaining the balance in the ecosystems and hence are equally important. Forest as a resources. The term forest refers to natural vegetations of trees that grow close together over a large area. You know that plants and trees that grow naturally without the help of humans is natural vegetations. So the plant and tree which grow without the help of the humans is called or is known as the natural vegetations. Today, much of the original natural vegetations has been removed to make way for buildings, roads, and agricultures. Much of it has also been destroyed by natural forces such as storms or fires. At present, most of the remaining original natural vegetations can be seen only in the equatorial regions and in mountains area in the temperate and arctic zones. How have humans changed the forest pattern of the world? Most of the land under human controls is used for agriculture, animal grazing, and urbanizations. Some parts of the existing natural vegetations is also controlled by humans, such as natural reserves and national parks. Humans have also modified covered by the existing plants covered by moving certain species from their original habitat to other parts of the world. The most common example of the eucalyptus tree that was taken from Australia and planted in places as far as the US, California, North Africa, and India. The growth of vegetation depends on temperature and moisture. Forest, grasslands, shrubs, and tundra are major vegetation type in the world. Natural vegetation comes in many sizes, shapes, and types. Besides tea, you also find shrubs, vines, and scrubs. Apart from this, the lowest layer is the ground cover, such as moss or lichen. Each of these categories also has a many type. So there are many types of forest. Types of forest. Forests are different in a different parts of the world. There are three main types of forest: climate, soils, altitude, sunlight, and locations determines the type of forest. So these are the determining factor of the forest. Generally, forests are found where there is abundant water supply. Therefore, moist climate with at least one warm season support forest. Forest can also be classified as evergreen or deciduous forest. While evergreen trees retain their leaves throughout the year, deciduous trees shed their leaves in the certain season every year in atmosphere. Tropical forest. There are different types of forest: tundra forest, tropical rainforest, subtropical forest, Mediterranean forest, woodland and scrub biome, temperate forest, montane forest or cloud forest, boreal or taiga forest. So these are the types of forest. Tundra forest found in the vast area of northern Russia, northern Canada, Greenland, Alaska, and Antarctica, whereas tropical forests are generally found in the Indo-Malayan archipelagos, the Amazon basins, near the Amazon basins, and the African Congo, eastern and western slopes of the Western Ghats in the states such as Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and Maharashtra. This type of forest are also found in Assam's Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, West Bengal, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Subtropical forest is generally found in the Himalayan region. Mediterranean forests are found in the five Mediterranean climatic regions in the world: the Mediterranean basins, the Chilean matorral, the California chaparrals, the woodland eco region of California, and the Baja California Peninsula, the Province, Cape Province, Western Cape of South Africa, the South Australia corner area. So these are the places where the Mediterranean type of the forest are found. Temperate forests are generally found in the eastern North America, the eastern Asia, southern South America, and Australia. Whereas cloud forest or mountain forest are found in the Central and South America, East and Central Africa, Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Papua New Guinea, and in the Caribbean. Boreal or taiga forest are found in the most of inland Canada, Alaska, as well as the parts of extreme northern continental United States, Sweden, Finland, much of Norway, some to the Pacific Oceans, including much of Siberia and areas of northern Kazakhstan, northern Mongolia, and northern Japan. So these are the places where the boreal or taiga type of forest are found. Let's study about the first one, forest, the tundra forest or forest. So this type of forest are found where there is abundant water supply, therefore moist climate, at least one warm seasons support forest. Forests can also be classified as a evergreen and deciduous forest. Tropical forest. These are found between 23° north and 25 and 23° south latitudes. Some of the forests here are evergreen while other are deciduous. The tropical evergreen forests are found where the annual rainfall is very high and temperatures are high throughout the year. These are generally found closer to the equator and are dense and have a thick canopy that hardly allows any sunlight to reach the lower layer. Rosewood, mahogany, cinchona, and ebony are some of the commonly found trees in the tropical evergreen forest. The tropical deciduous forests are found in areas with lesser rainfall and a hot climate. These forests are commonly called monsoon forest. These forests are commonly called monsoon forests. These are open forests and trees are not very tall. As sunlight reaches the lower layers, there is a good growth of shrubs and bushes. Teak, shal, shisham, and bamboos are the commonly found trees in a tropical deciduous forest. In India, tropical evergreen forests are found in the northeastern states parts of West Bengal, along the Western Ghats, and in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. The tropical deciduous forests are found almost all over India along the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats, northeastern parts of Peninsula Plateau, foothills of the Himalayas, and the eastern parts of the northern plain. That's much in this video. More we will discuss in the next. Thank you for listening me. Take care on your health. Many times go through it in order to clear your concept. Tomorrow we will discuss about the temperate forest and taiga forest through the video classes. Okay, thank you for listening me. Have a great day to all of you.